Avoid costly penalties. The impact of late ISF filing on customs. Welcome back to our channel dedicated to customs brokerage and international trade. Today, we'll be delving deep into the topic of late ISF filing and its effect on customs penalties. If you're a business involved in importing goods, this information is crucial for you, so stay tuned. Let's jump right in. Before we discuss the impact of late ISF filing on customs penalties, let's first understand what the Importer Security Filing (ISF) is. ISF is a requirement enforced by U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) for shipments entering the country by ocean vessel. It's essentially an electronic filing of specific information related to the imported goods. The ISF requirements include details such as the seller's and buyer's information, the manufacturer's information, the ship-to-party, and an accurate description of the goods being shipped. This filing must typically be submitted to CBP at least 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto the vessel at the foreign port. Now, let's explore the consequences of late ISF filing. When an ISF is not submitted within the required timeframe, CBP considers it a violation of the regulations, and penalties may be imposed. The impact of these penalties can be significant for importers, both financially and operationally. The customs penalties for late ISF filing can vary depending on the severity and frequency of the violations. Importers may face monetary fines, cargo holds, and even additional scrutiny for subsequent shipments. These penalties can disrupt supply chain operations, delay clearance of goods, and accumulate substantial costs. To give you an idea of the potential penalties, let's briefly discuss the tiers set by CBP for late ISF filings. For the first offense, the penalty is typically $5,000. For the second offense, the penalty jumps to $10,000, and any subsequent offenses can lead to a penalty of $10,000 per offense. These penalties can quickly add up and have a detrimental impact on a company's bottom line. So, how can you minimize the risk of late ISF filing penalties? The key is to prioritize compliance and ensure that your filings are accurate and submitted on time. Here are some best practices to consider. Prioritize compliance by understanding the ISF requirements and staying up to date with any regulatory changes. Make sure you have a comprehensive understanding of the information needed for filing. Implement efficient data collection practices to gather all the necessary information early on. This will give you ample time to validate and accurately populate the ISF filing. Maintain open lines of communication with your suppliers and your shipping carriers. Ensure that everyone involved understands the importance of timely and accurate submission of ISF filings. Consider utilizing customs brokerage software or working with a customs broker who can provide automated ISF filing solutions. These systems can streamline the process, reduce errors, and help meet deadlines. Remember, avoiding late ISF filing penalties requires proactive measures in your import operations. Stay compliant, prioritize accuracy and timeliness, and leverage technology to streamline the process. By doing so, you can ensure smooth customs clearance and keep your supply chain running efficiently. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the impact of late ISF filing on customs penalties. We hope you found this information insightful and valuable. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos to come. Until next time, keep importing with compliance in mind. See you soon.